I'm just coming back from Paris to look about the business of the region. And I think we had an excellent meeting. I was really tied up thinking about issues to do with Haiti, issues to do with crime, which is affecting all the countries. And then I saw something in the papers that amounted to a distraction. But being the now seasoned politician that I am,
Yes. Yes.
I was able to focus and essentially compartmentalize and pay attention to getting the job that you elected me.
Absolutely.
In every crisis, however, there is an opportunity. And I believe that what has happened has presented Jamaica with an opportunity to take a serious look at our anti-corruption framework and legislation. And I believe that we are beginning to see emerging this general perspective. This should not be taken in any way that the Jamaica Labour Party and the government that it formed, I believe, is in any way supportive of anything that is corrupt.
Absolutely not.
I think that there is now an opportunity to make the legislation more precise,
Yes.
to make it more practical, and to refocus it on where the problems really exist. We must use this as an opportunity to reaffirm our own commitment to treating with the issue of corruption, which has been made into a political weapon. It has been weaponized and it has been used in a way that detracts and distracts from the real focus. As Prime Minister of the country, I have to balance everything, and I have to be magnanimous. So as labor rights, I want you to follow that example and that leadership. At the end of the day, we are still responsible for Jamaica and its success. But you have to also bear in mind that as we remain focused, as we are able to keep our eyes on the time, and as we achieve success, there are those who see themselves constantly receding to the sideline. And they have become desperate. They have become corrupted in their minds, in their thoughts, and their deeds as well. We have